Welcome to a brand new day. Today's stretch routine is designed to energize your body, release tension, and boost your flexibility, all in just 5 minutes. This routine is perfect for anyone who wants to wake up their spine, activate their core, and open up tight shoulders and hips. No fancy equipment needed, just you, a mat, and a bit of space to move. We'll be flowing through 5 movements, starting with dynamic stretches to wake up the spine and ending with deep side body stretches to create that full body refresh. Most people skip this part of their mornings, but not you. Showing up today already sets you apart. I promise you, by the end of this routine, your body will feel energized, your mind will feel focused, and you'll be ready to tackle the day ahead. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with a dynamic flow that's going to open up your entire body. Picture this as your ultimate reset button. Start in downward dog. Hands planted firmly, hips lifted high, and heels reaching toward the floor. Inhale as you shift forward into cobra. Drop your hips to the mat. Lift your chest and stretch the front of your body. Exhale as you push back into downward dog. This stretch not only warms up the spine, but also stretches the hamstrings, shoulders, and chest. By the end of this minute, you'll feel lengthened and loose from head to toe. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees in downward dog. Advanced, deepen the cobra by pressing your chest further forward. Great start. Now, let's activate the core while stabilizing the spine with bird dog. Time to fire up your core and improve your balance with this simple yet powerful move. Begin on all fours, shoulders over wrists and hips over knees. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back, creating a long line. Engage your core to keep your back flat and stable. Hold for a moment, then return to all fours. This stretch builds core strength, improves posture, and activates stabilizing muscles in your back and hips. Beginners, keep your foot on the ground and focus on just lifting your arm. Advanced, add a small crunch by bringing your knee and elbow together under your body before extending. Now let's balance it out by switching sides. Time to even things out. Let's stabilize the other side. Same setup, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. This time, extend your left arm forward and right leg back. Keep your movement smooth, steady, and controlled. Balancing both sides ensures symmetry in your core strength and helps avoid imbalances in your lower back. Same as before, simplify or add a crunch, depending on your level. Amazing work, fam. Let's stretch out the chest and shoulders with a powerful opener. Let's counteract all that forward hunching by opening up your heart space. Interlace your fingers behind your back and pull your hands away from your body as you lift your chest. Breathe deeply as you feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. If standing, add a slight back bend for an extra challenge. This stretch will combat poor posture, improve breathing, and create a sense of openness. It's a must-do for anyone who spends time sitting or working at a desk. If you can't interlace your fingers, use a towel or strap to hold behind your back. Let's finish strong with the stretch that lengthens your entire side body. Feel tall and energized with this simple but effective stretch. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left, keeping your chest open. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the other side. This move stretches your obliques, opens the rib cage, and creates a space for deep, energizing breaths. Keep the movement shallow if you're feeling tight, or deepen it by reaching further overhead. If you sit at a desk all day, want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health without leaving your desk, trust me, you'll want to check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's a game changer. Fam, you just powered through 5 minutes of intentional movement. Your body is stretched, your core is activated, and your mind is ready to conquer the day. Before you leave, remember you've won the day just by showing up. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.